Hello, my name is Amina and I'm your decision-making specialist. And today, guess what? Not so many decisions as I would like to be able to share with you. You see, today is March 17th, 2020, and I'm at home and I'm confined to home, as are so many people around us, because of the coronavirus. And the quarantine is to keep us in shelter, as they say, until April 7th. And then we don't know. This is a time of uncertainty, unpredictability, ambiguity, and it's very easy to lose focus that we have any kind of power, and that we do have some choices. And while I am so aware of how many are not able to go to work and are not getting paid, have their children at home and no school. Some have online, some are not so fortunate and they have their children at home. They aren't able to work. Everybody's confined in wherever their shelter is. Sometimes it's easy to lose track and look around and think, oh my gosh, I'm stuck in here. I can't go out. Everybody's around. What am I going to do? And here is something that I believe you can do, even with your personal finances being so scary, and the national finances, the global finances, all the people in the world, all the numbers of death that you hear, the scare of not knowing. What if you have it? What if it just hasn't manifested itself yet? What if somebody that you love has it? And then what? All of these scary, scary, scary thoughts that steal us away from anything hopeful are just all over. They're bouncing off the walls. I'm guessing if you're like I am, you can focus for a little while and then you just find things kind of floating and seeming surreal. And you have to grab back your focus, because it's just very easy to float off with your thoughts. So I'm going to offer that we are not in denial. We're not pretending this isn't true. We're not pretending our feelings away. Our emotions are real and they're important. And this is possibly one of those times where my invention of "and" will help. And here's what I'm hoping you can do once in a while as you're floating off, that you can grab and look around and figure, I'm confined. These people, oh, Amina, they're driving me crazy sometimes. And you know what? While they're driving you crazy, and while it seems impossible to stay within the confines of your wall, and while it is not easy to forget the reason that you're being confined, and the health and wellness of everyone out there inside with you, in the midst of all of that, if you can grab an and know that these people that are driving you up the wall are people that you love and you cherish. And if you're able to see them, guess what? It means you're alive. You're here. And that's important. It's also important if you have a shelter. Some people don't. And it's important if you can see my message, not because of me, simply because you can shift your focus even for a moment. And hopefully that decision will help you have a moment of peace, a second of balance, and maybe more than a blink of hope that we're all in this together and somehow we're going to make it through. There you are. Grab an and find some hope to attach to the fear. Thanks for listening. I'm thinking of you, and I'll be back. I hope you come back with me. Take care for now. Bye.